there, this is Pam, Pam's Paper Place, and I thought I'd better come on here and show you what I've been working on. I don't have the cover done. I know I'm going to put these flowers on somewhere. And then some of the items in this Shabby Chic journal will be in a kit that I will have for sale when I can have it listed. This one is going to have 2 signatures. You know, I do the cover last. I just thought I'd show you what I've been working on. I'm using a lot of this Tales of You and Me by Prima paper. I like the paper. So, yeah, so, you know, I'm not done, but I need to get done because having a lot of family coming in August for a life celebration. My mom passed a couple months ago, so we're gonna do that. But I just thought I'd show you what I've been working on, and you know, I'll show you when it's finished. But that's what I'm working on, and then the Shabby Chic kits. Yeah, so yeah, so I need to clean my house, so I just want to get this project done, and then I probably am not going to do any for a while because, you know, with family, and I got to clean my house and all that, so a lot's going to be going on. We'll be going to a beautiful lake town in Michigan, where my mom loved to go on the beach, and we will have a nice dinner there and share memories of my mom, and you know, she wanted her ashes there. And then my brother and my husband are also going to go up north and to a cemetery up there too for my mom. But anyway, but yeah, my daughter and 2 grandkids are coming up from Texas. My brother's driving up from Texas. My oldest son and wife are coming in from Portland. And then I have a daughter and husband and 2 granddaughters here. So yeah, and then us, and yeah, so we'll have a lot of fun together. Anyway, so I just thought I'd show you what I was doing. And then I also have a share, an Etsy shop share, and this is from Sherry Smear, Studio 28E. She has a Facebook group, crafty Facebook group journal, and an Etsy shop, and lots of things. So I'll put a link to her Etsy shop, but I saw this. Well, she sent me extras too. I got some really cute, look at these cute envelopes. Thank you, Sherry. And I got, oh, a cute little notebook. Darling. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, actually, I need to put this in my journal I'm working on, my Shabby Chic. So I'll put that aside for that. And then, oh yeah, and then she sent me a nice little card. And this is, it's called Shrooms by Sherry. Sherry made these mushrooms. And there's her Studio 28E journal creations. And handmade female mushrooms, individually, oops, all right, designed and painted by me. And I'll show you what I got. Look at these. So I want to make more botanical type journals, and I just thought these would be perfect. Aren't they wonderful? I probably need more, so you need to go on if you like. And she has different ones. This was a number 4. So all different ones, but isn't that awesome? I love them. So they're a little dimensional, but I love them. So Shrooms by Sherry, and I'll put her Etsy link in the description. Thank you so much, Sherry. And then it was in this really cool bag here. So awesome, awesome. Another thing I thought I'd share is my favorite books, if I have time. I guess I could do this. Yeah. Some of my favorite books that I like. This one is Good House Magic, Natalia Marshall, Back to Basics Housekeeping in a Flash. And a lot of this is kind of the retro vibe. Good House Magic. See, it has like the retro images, back to basics, housekeeping in a flash. And when was this? I don't know. Put the magic back into household chores. Look at that. She doesn't look too happy, does she? So anyway, I just thought I'd quick flip through a couple of these. And fun images. I would like to do some retro journals. Living room. Just different styles. And, you know, fun colors. So that's one of them. I like the graphics. So that's one. Good House Magic. I love this Granny Chic. I love this style. Crafty recipes and inspiration for the handmade home from Dottie, Angel, and Ted and Agnes. And I've scanned some of my digities in my journal that I'm making. I'll show you. And I don't know if I want to deal with, you know, making digikits and all that, you know, how people do. I know it's not that hard. I just don't know if I want to do it. But if you do buy my Shabby Chic ephemera journal kit, I have some. Where are they? Let's see. Oh, here. Oh, no, that's that one. All right, where are they? Oh, this one is one that I scanned. This one. I mean, I could put them in my Etsy. I just haven't. So I got that one. Oh, this one. This one I scanned. It turned out pretty good. So that's a scanned image of I have lots of embroidered, my favorite crafting item, and I don't cut these up, but I just love the images and all the work that went into making these embroidered pieces. I know people say they're, what are they called, slow stitch? They're hand embroidered to me. Look at that work. And so that's one. I don't know if there's another one, but they'll be in the kits, so that might be it. I might, you know, do another one. I'm not sure. Anyway, so yeah, that I really like that. And yeah, beautiful pages, nice thick pages, and I just love the, you know, I have an apron collection. Here's some really cool doilies. Look how fun all those fabrics are. And all the colors and stuff. I mean, I couldn't have that in my house. I don't think my husband would go for that, but I do have a bedroom that's kind of this way. Look at the tablecloths stuff. And a wall with all this plates and things. Little wooden shoes. Oh, look, and a little paper clip that's just stuck on the wall with washi tape or something. And they got buttons. Just a bit of everything, huh? Plate. Looks cool. There's her apron, her chicken. Look at that little beautiful trailer, another embroidered piece. So isn't this a fun book to look at? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. So yeah, just lots of beautiful things in this book. If you're looking for something fun to read and look at. That's Granny Chic. Another of my favorites is this Retro Housewife. Lehman, I know you're drooling over these books if you're watching. She does good retro books. A Salute to the Suburban Superwoman. Wow, look at that pink and purple. Some fun images here. I'm not ready to cut these up. I'm not sure that I will, but I may. The images here are awesome. They're both in their apron. Oh, he dropped a glass. See how fun the images are? Mother knows best. So there's that one. Oops, glare right there. The nice thick pages. Very cute. Made a bundt cake. My mom used to make a lot of angel food cakes like that in a bundt pan. So it's like about the 1950s. A lot of these were like, you know, 1954, this or that. That was the year I was born. Let's see where some of that. Yeah, 1954. They had Swanson's first TV dinners. Wow, huh? In the 50s, they had they had like, you know, the S&H green stamps, Top Value plaid, King Corn, never heard of that, but you know how your mom would collect green stamps and turn them in for something. Okay, then I got these are fabric ones. This is Kath Kidston's in print. Brilliant ideas for using vintage fabrics in your home. Has a really nice cloth type cover. So it just has mainly fabrics. Awesome. Look at that, isn't that pretty? I love the old fabrics. I know my grandma and grandpa up north in Petoskey, they had such awesome like chairs like that with, I wish I had their, you know, the old prints, you know, tablecloths. So cool. Look at that print. An apron. This. And they had like a little, outside they had a little, it almost looked like this with the different chairs and tablecloth. It was like outside and it was like a little covered, like a gazebo, but there was like, you know, vines and all kind of open, and over the roof was slats with flowers. It was so cool. Cozy. Look at that, chintz. Oh, a little bit of chintz, but not much. Roses for a headboard. I did take a really old quilt, faded, and recovered a headboard. That looks really cool. And I did a lamp in a old slip. So I redid that. I like to redecorate, but I haven't done anything lately because you know, a lot anyway, because I, you know, trying to do my journaling, and I still don't seem to have quite enough time to get what I want done. Look at these tea towels. Beautiful. So I'll just show you a few more pages of this, and I'll show you, oh, and then look at the cute little graphics. Gloves. Trim the rubber gloves. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty. So it just shows you what you can use with these vintage prints. And then one more is the Fun Fabrics of the 50s. A Schiffer book by Joy She. Look at the like little skirt over the pedal pushers. So you got really nice big prints of, or paper with the big prints. Very cool. Oops, let me get more in frame here. It's kind of shiny. Look at that. I mean, you could take paper dowels, make paper dowel, and use this paper, you know, to make the dress or outfits. I do have fabric like this. That's new. But, yeah, look at that. Love it all. Love that. Oops. Pretty with the pink and the blue. I'll just flip through this a minute. See, like here's like a cutout with like paper dowel clothes on the clothesline. That's really cool. Oops. Plants. Anyway, you get the picture. So I just thought I'd show you what I've been up to, and next day or two I gotta get this journal done so I can start cleaning my house, as I said, getting ready for family to stay here. Oh, look at that, cute with the clowns. Kid prints are always so cute. Little cowboy prints. So lots of fun fabrics of the 50s. So anyway, thanks for coming by and just seeing what I've been doing and a purchase and my journal that I'm working on. All right. See you next time. Bye-bye.